Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on the SAMSUNG Galaxy Z Fold5. And to do this, first make sure that you've set up your Google Assistant for the voice match and that it's activated for the lock screen. Then we can begin with the first command, and you can use the translator with Google Assistant that helps you to translate basically anything from your own language to another. And your Google Assistant will also speak out the translation loudly. Now let's try it. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that
Zjadłem burgera.
Next one will be to count calories, so that you can count calories in basically any food, and you can ask Google Assistant for it. Hey Google, how many calories in a Big Mac?
there are 257 calories in 100 grams of McDonald's Big Mac.
Next is to find your phone. So sometimes you place your phone somewhere in the room and you can't find it. Here Google Assistant can help you with just that. Now ask Google Assistant to play some music or with a phrase, where are you? And that way your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to find it. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm in Google's cloud, so technically, I still live with my parents.
Then next one is to call anybody from your contacts list using Google Assistant. You just need to ask to call a specific contact. Hey Google, call my mom.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
Replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list and it should provide you with a call. Next is to send a message, and you can also include what should be written in the message and then say the person that the message should go to. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And again, change the mom with somebody else from your contacts list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.